Hello students, welcome to your online social class. Subject Social, Grade 4, Unit 3, Municipality and Corporation. Topic Municipalities and their duties. Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe. Today we are going to start a new lesson, Municipality and Corporation. From that today we are going to cover municipalities and their duties topic. Are you ready, ma? Are you ready? Yes, ready. This lesson is a conversation of Mugilan and his uncle. Mugilan went to his uncle's house during summer vacation. One day, he was playing in a park. At the time, he heard the municipality employees announcing that the people to pay taxes for their houses and others. So, Mugilan had some doubt. So, he ran to his uncle. His uncle asked him, "Why are you running and what happened?" Mugilan started asking questions regarding municipality. What is a municipality and why should we pay taxes, uncle? Mugilan uncle is ready to explaining him about municipality. Municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. What is a local government, ma? Local government means smallest form of government. Municipality is a form of smallest form of government or local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. In Tamil Nadu, there are 152 municipalities. How many municipalities are there in Tamil Nadu? Yes, you are correct. There are 152 municipalities in Tamil Nadu. A municipality is divided into several wards. What is a ward, ma? A municipality is divided into small parts. Why they are dividing into small parts? For administrative purposes. So, the municipality is divided into several wards. For example, Mugilan house is located in the 10th ward, whereas there are totally 30 wards in his locality. Okay, in which ward is your house is located? In which ward is your house is located? And how many wards are there in your locality? How many wards are there in your locality? Ask these questions to your parents and get clear idea about your ward number and total number of wards. Is it clear for you? Yes. Municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. In Tamil Nadu, there are 152 municipality. The next question raised by Mugilan is, who is the head of municipality? The head of municipality is called the president. The head of municipality is called the president. The president and the members of municipalities are elected by the people directly. How the people elected? Yes, through elections. Choosing the members by giving their votes in a election. The people choosing the members by giving their votes in a election. The tenure of the members is 5 years. What is a tenure, ma? The legal right to work as a members is 5 years. Okay. One of the members, among them, they elected one member as a vice president. Again, I am repeating. The head of the municipality is called the president. The presidents and the members of the municipalities are elected by the people directly. The tenure of the members is 5 years. One of the members of the municipality is selected as a vice president. Is it clear for you? Shall we move to the next heading? The duties of municipality. What are the duties of municipalities? Providing street lamp. Do you have street lamps in your street? Right. Yes. That is provided by the municipality. Then constructing library. Not only constructing library and its maintenance also. Okay. Then maintaining local market. That means Sandai. Then providing drinking water facilities. Do you have drinking water tap in your house? Right. The municipality only providing drinking water to your house. Right. Then constructing roads and removing garbage dumps. The duties of municipalities are providing street lamps, constructing library and its maintenance, maintaining local market Sandai, providing drinking water facilities, constructing roads, removing garbage dumps. Is it clear for you? Yes. The next question raised by Mugilan is, what is the sources of income for the work done by the municipality? From where they get their income? You also have the same question, right? The central government and state government provide money to the municipality. Central government and state government, they are providing money, and people also pay money in the form of tax. What is a tax, ma? Tax is the money that we have to pay to the government so that the government can provide public services. What is a public services? Constructing road, maintaining local market, providing street lamp, etc. Okay, ma? So, people also pay in the form of taxes: house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax, and drainage tax. It also form the income of municipality. Is it clear for you? Let us know who is the father of local bodies. The father of local bodies is Mr. Lord Ribbon. Lord Ribbon is the father of local body. The following also comes under municipalities. Township, example Neyveli. Cantonment board, example Parangimalai, Kunnur. Notified area committee. The following also comes under municipality: township, cantonment board, and notified area committee. Let us recap what we did today. Municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. There are 152 municipalities in Tamil Nadu. Head of municipality is called as a president. The president and the members of the municipalities are elected by the people directly. The tenure of the members is 5 years. And duties of municipality. What are the duties of municipality? Yes, providing street lamp, constructing road, maintaining local market, etc. Finally, we saw the sources of income for the municipality. Central government and state government provide the money to the municipality, and people also pay in form of taxes: house tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax, etc. And who is the father of local bodies? Lord Ribbon. Lord Ribbon is the father of local bodies. Now we came to end of our class. Today's task, today's challenge is reading practice, book page number 148, 149 and 150. Read one time fully and try to complete book page number 155, book exercise question number 2 and 4. Okay, ma? Try to complete the homework at the same date. Okay? Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.